Here I am going to solve question number 2, that is from exercise 9.1 for class 10. First I read the question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touch the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touch the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So this is the question from the height and distance. So this type of question can be solved. Uh, First, you read the question carefully, then try to draw the picture. So here I draw like this. This is the tree. Okay, suppose this is the C and this is the A. This is the top position of the tree and C is the feet. Okay, that is the root. Now storm broken this tree at the from point B. Okay, इस B पॉइंट से ये ट्री टूट जाने लगेगा, मतलब यहाँ से जैसे ही स्ट्रॉम आएगा तो ये ट्री अब यहाँ से टूटेगा. Suppose at point B it broken, so after broken it will fall down like this and it will be reach like this. Okay, so after broken the new portion, that means the new picture will like this portion will be standing as is the foot and B is the point where the tree broken, and now the portion BA, that means this portion will be fall down and it will touch the ground. Now see here, it touch the ground and now B, now the position A, that is the top, it touch the ground. So now we say it as a dash, because if I name it as a, then the line BC, CA and CA both line will be same, so why I named it as a dash. Now this is the portion of the tree which now stand, and B dash is also the part of these things that is broken. Okay, now it is given that the broken part, that means so the top of the tree touch the ground and make an angle 30 degree. Now this portion make angle 30 degree. Okay, and another thing that is given, that is the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the touch the ground. So that means this is the C position is the foot and A dash is the position that the top position touch the ground. So the distance between CA, that will be 8 meter. Okay, so after broken the position of the ट्री विल बी लाइक दिस. ओके, इस तरह से बेंड किया रहेगा, वो गिर गया यहाँ से. सो नाउ इफ आई वांट टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द ट्री, देन इट विल बी बी सी प्लस बी एड एस, this portion plus this portion. If we added, then we got the complete length of the tree. So this picture is here. Now see here. Okay, now we have to find the tree, that means this portion or this portion, let we need to find out. So just I write down it. Let AC be the original tree and ADS be the broken part, you can see here, which make an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Now take the triangle ADS BC. This is the right angle triangle. Okay, ADS BC, so that means this triangle. So take tan theta, because we have to find these two things. So first we take tan theta, as we know that tan theta is equal to P by B. So theta is equal to 30 degree, just we write, and P means BC, this portion, and B, that means CA dash, this is the B. So just we write down it, then we will put the value. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, BC is equal to, here we don't know, A dash C, that is given 8, so just we put it. Now just cross multiplication it. Okay, so after cross multiplication you got 8 by root 3 is equal to BC. So that means BC is equal to 8 root 3. First we find out the BC. Next we have to find out this portion. Okay, that means this portion. Okay, that is the hypotenuse. Okay, now see, we take now cos theta. So as cos theta is equal to B by H. So here theta is equal to 30 degree, so it will be cos 30 degree, and B means this line, that means C A dash, and H means B A dash. So just we write down it. Now see here, this is cos theta, the value of cos theta is root 3 by 2, and a dash c is 8, and a dash b we don't know, we have to find out. Now just cross multiplication it. So we got a root 3 into a dash b, that is equal to 8 into 2. So a dash b is equal to, just when I will transpose it, it will be divide, so it will be 16 by root 3. This is here. Okay, now we have to find the total length of the tree. As in the picture it is clear that the total length of the tree is BC and AB. So AB now become BA dash. Okay, this portion is broken and it came here. Okay, so these things we have to add it to find out the total length of the tree. So just I write down it, a dash b plus bc. The value of a dash b is 16 by root 3 and bc is equal to 8 by root 3. After addition we got 24 by root 3. Now it reciprocal it, 24 by root 3. Then we will rationalize it. So multiple with the root 3 and root 3. Then we got 24 root 3, and after root 3 into root 3 we got 3. So it will be 8. So value is equal to 8 root 3. That means length of the total length of the tree will be 8 root 3 meter. Thank you.